Okay, so let me continue where we left. Let me convert the value formula to values. Okay, so if I'll select this column, these entries, maybe you can select maybe any 5 or any 10 or all of these, and I'll select the replacement. You will see all of these got replaced. Now let me undo this and select this one. And if I'll replace these, you can see only these are being replaced. Let me do another test. Let's take half of these and half of these and replace the words. Okay, so all done. Okay, so this is working perfectly fine. Now the addition of the words at the end. So for that word, you can see there is a word on column on this control sheet, column I, row number 2. So you can type any word in here, and this word will get updated, added into the range where the text is there, and whatever the listing you will select. So if I'll select all of these, and I'll go to the menu and add this word to the selected range. Let me select the bottom half. See, all of the words are got added. Now, regarding the last thing, where the removal of the spaces from the range. So let me show you something. So if you will add extra spaces in here, and maybe extra spaces at the last on the right side, maybe extra spaces on the left side, and maybe 3 or 4 spaces. Let's add another 1 space and 2 spaces in here. So now if I'll select all of these, and I'll say, okay, I want to remove these spaces. So what this will do, this is going to replace all the extra spaces before and after the word. So now you can see there is only 1 space left, no spaces left, no 1 space left, no space left. You can see single space left. If you find that, okay, not all the spaces are being clear, you can always come back and remove these spaces. And this will give you the desired result. So the last thing here is that, for example, if there are some spaces in front, like on these text, on the bottom text, you can see there is a space in front of. Let me select all of these so that you can easily identify. You can see there are words. These doesn't have any space in front of that, but for these last bottom 6 or 7, there are some spaces at the front. Let me add some spaces, 2 spaces in this one space in this one, and maybe 3 spaces in there. And now I'm going to select everything to the bottom, and I'll remove these spaces, and let's see what it does. So you see, it just removed the initial spaces and the extra spaces at the end as well. You can see all of these. No spaces left, no spaces left, no spaces left. So this is the combined solution. So these are only for your information. We can delete all of these from here to here. Let me turn these to red so that you can identify these can be deleted. Rest of these are manual inputs. So these are the numbers for the first one, and the text associated, the weight, word to replace, word to find and replace with the text, and yep, and the spaces is left on the last. So this is it from my side. You can see everything is working fine on my side. Once we are agreed on something, then I'll deliver it to you. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.